Yes, they're standing by with full coverage of the day's top stories. Investigations are gathering steam right now into Russia's campaign meddling in the president's claim that he was wiretapped by his predecessor. Let's begin with our senior congressional reporter, Manu Raju. Manu, why are senators personally now going over to CIA headquarters?
Well, Wolf, tonight the House and Senate Intelligence Committee are pushing forward on their investigations into Russia's involvement during the elections and whether or not there were any campaign contacts with Trump officials when Russian officials at that time while Russia was trying to apparently help elect Donald Trump. That's in the view of the Intelligence Committee. Now, today, 4 senators went to CIA headquarters in Langley, Virginia, to pour over raw intelligence to look at exactly what Russia was doing. One of those was Senator Mark Warner, the top Democrat in the committee, who told me that it looks like that from that data that Russia was trying to help one candidate over another.
A lot of what we saw today was the evidence underlying how Russia manipulated the news, how it hacked into the DNC, and John Podesta leaked out in favor of one candidate against another candidate. But I think it leads up beyond even the whole question about whether there were contacts between campaigns and the Russians. But this underlying assault on our democracy, I think Americans need to know about this.
Is there anything to suggest that the Trump campaign was involved in coordinating that release of information?
At this point, I'm not going to get into that part of the discussion. That's part of our investigation. It's always been about the misinformation. It's been about the hacking and selective release of emails.
Now, Wolf, 2 things that Mark Warner did point to was a change in the Republican Party platform to discuss Russia's treatment towards Ukraine in more favorable terms that Russia perhaps would like, and also Donald Trump's praise of Vladimir Putin when I asked him about any evidence of coordination. And those are issues that some members want to hear publicly. A public hearing now being called for by another member of the Intelligence Committee, that's Susan Collins of Maine, telling me earlier that she wants a public hearing to discuss these issues because this committee often operates in secret votes.
Manu, at the same time, this other committee is demanding information over the president's claims that former President Obama wiretapped him. What do we know about this?
Yeah, that's right. 2 top senators, Senator Lindsey Graham of South Carolina and Senator Sheldon Whitehouse, a Democrat of Rhode Island, who head a key subcommittee, are asking for information from the Justice Department and the FBI for any warrants or any applications to suggest that the Obama administration was, at that time, trying to spy on President Trump, as the president is now suggesting. I talked to Lindsey